current points leader, and outside of Rich Schinderling in the 70X is Tyler Deshane. As they're going to pick them up, we're going racing this next time around, ladies and gentlemen. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's that 5E of Eric Pearson out front. Him and John Triggs in that 2 in the battle. Watch out for that 51 of Kyle Rush trying to work that outside lane. But he was cut off by the 2 of John Triggs. Sean Bauer in that 25 working the low side. And it'll be Pearson, Triggs, and Rush, your top 3 coming through.
As they're looking to go 3 wide, here comes Schinderling trying to push his way through the middle. They were almost there earlier on the last time they went around, as they're still looking to go 3 wide. Will Rich Schinderling go between them? I don't know.
Eric Pearson in that 5E out front. John Triggs second, Kyle Rush third. The battle is in fourth. Rich Schinderling in that 78. He's going to do double duty tonight in that 25 of Sean Bauer.
Double duty's got to be rough, definitely driving 2 different divisions. Definitely takes a lot out of you. Hopefully he stays plenty hydrated.
5E of Eric Pearson still out front, running a 16.697 right now. Bandit's got to be under a 16. Can't go under a 16.400.
And that is the Nelson Imports bonus lap. If they can hit a 16.400 right on the money, they get an additional.
With qualifying, though. With qualifying.
Oh,
so
okay, with
qualified
qualifying.
with a 16.4, so the Nelson Imports 164 perfect lap does not count here tonight.
Gotcha.
But it's nice to know with 1 to go as the 5 of Eric Pearson out front. Triggs and Rush in the 2 and 51 have a nice little battle going on, as Triggs is now gripping off the pace, and here comes the 78 of Rich Schinderling.
So once again, the guy who's loving this car, taking another win, owning the car for 3 weeks, has 3 wins in this car. I don't remember if he won last week, Eric. Do you remember if the 5E of Eric Pearson had won last week?
I can tell you this much. He has a feature win, 5 heat wins. This is his 2nd dash win. He's finished in the top 5 2 times.
Well, definitely loving this new car. Very, very happy guy. We've talked with him. No complaints
here. He
here.
finished 2nd yesterday or last week.
Okay, yeah. So right up there at the top. If he's not winning, he's getting there in the top 5. Real good. As he's going to get out of his car, ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause. It is the number 5 car. Not yet. We'll wait till he gets out here. Let's see. He's looking at us.
No Limit Motorsports, Best Bet Auto Repair, Ultimate Karaoke, and DJ Entertainment. Prime sponsors for that 5E machine.
The hat's on. Here we go. It's Eric Pearson.